Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in the previous videos, we have integrated the MongoDB and fetched all the nodes on the front end or the client side. And in this video, we are going to create the UX and UI better so that user can get to know what is happening and how they have to proceed further. We are going to take a look how you can show the toast messages like loading states, skeletons, the node card, okay, and we are going to create all these things in this video only. So grab your coffee and get ready for it. So in the previous video we have integrated the SSR server side rendering on this page, okay, and we are having all the nodes and the content of that. Now we are going to design it further. So let's get started into it. So I am here on my VS Code and you can see this is running. So let's first of all design this home page only. So you can go to the layout.page.tsx over here and you can just simply give it a screen height with a full flex and item center, justify center. So it will be on the middle of the screen. Now it should be of something bigger heading. So let's give a class name to this. Font bold, text 5XL, we can give it, right? And it should be of flex polls so that it occurs one by one and we can give a gap of let's say 5. So we have designed the home page a little bit. Okay, so you can design it further if you want. Next, we are going to design this create node, like we are having some overlap over here. So we are going to fix that. So what we can do, we can go to the add node and in the dialog footer, we can just simply give the class name like empty4 like that. And you can see it is okay. Now we can see or we can show that toast over here that it is being created. Like if I click over here and if I write this blog, this content, if I create this note over here and if I click on save changes, you can see it is saying it is done. And we can show a toast over here. So we can go to the shed CN. We can show like this. Okay. We are having this and we can add the sonar over here. Can go to this. We can. So in this page.tsx, what we can do, we can, after this creating this model, we can show the toast over here only, like handle submit. And after this response, we can show the toast. Toast dot success node created successfully like this. And if we are having any error, just we can say toast dot error, like something went wrong. And we have to add this toaster in the layout page also. So we can go over here and we can see toaster so that we get to know. See, we can, it is saying node created successfully, right? Something went wrong. So this is how we can show the toast over here. Okay. And we are providing a button which will redirect us to the slash blogs page. So we can go to the page.tsx and here we can say the button which will say us to the view all nodes. And we have to import this and we can click, we can give a on click over here, or else what we can do, we can have a link from the next link like this. And if I click on the view nodes, then I am going to redirect to the nodes, but we are not having the nodes page, we are having the blogs page. So you can see we are having all the blogs over here. Now we are going to design the note card over here. So in the note card, we are having the title, we are having the description. So let's do that. So let's go to the blogs page. We are having this page.tsx file, and we can see this is the blog card or note card, whatever it is, and we can provide a type over here. So let's create an interface for this interface node, which will have the title, which is type of string, which will have the content, which will be the type of string, and which it is having the underscore id, which is also going to be a string, and a created add field, which is also going to be a string. So these things we are having in the node, and it is going to be type of node. Okay, we are going to design this. We can have the border, we can have the rounded empty, padding of 4 from all side, and what else? Margin of all side for the 4. We can have the block title in the h1. Okay, you can see we are having all the blocks in the grade. It is saying we are not having the, we are having the same key because I have created some of that with the same title. So don't worry, we are going to pass the key as blog underscore id. So it won't give us any warning. Okay. Now we are having the title, and what we can do, we can have that in the paragraph tag, and we can give the class name to the h1, like the text excel font semibold, like this. So you can see, and we are having the description. You can design it further if you want the hover effect. You can give also, like if I hover over here, and this should be scale the 105, and transition should be all, and duration of, let's say, 300 milliseconds. It is saying, right? And we can give the title, all the blocks, it should be in the h1, and we can design it. Class name with dash full mx photo, and the text 3xl, let's say. Text dash center, and we can give the my as 5. Okay, now we are pretty much done with the UI, and we are, so that's all for this video, guys. So I am pushing this code in the video 7 branch. You can check it out. The link will be given in the description, so you can check it out. You can contribute to it. You can just simply clone the repository and just simply try to run it locally. Okay, and in the upcoming video we are going to implement the edit and the delete. So that's all for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one.